Hi, everyone. Welcome to our channel. That good?
Is that good? Well, it's the thing you say every single time.
I can try something new, but it sounds so.
Oh, we've tried. We have tried new things. It just, essentially, we're just welcoming everybody to the channel, whether they're new, whether they've come back, or,
Hi to our Russian friend.
friends.
Oh, true.
And everybody,
Russian friends,
and
because
everybody else.
not everybody comments. And there's a Russian lady commenting to us. And that's really cool.
Well, we love getting comments from all over
the world. That's really cool.
It's really fun.
Yes, it is.
So this is a very, very long awaited video.
From spring.
From our spring doll road trip.
Yes.
Poor little girl has had to wait. So many other dolls have kind of pushed in line.
Because they're bigger.
Well, they were a little bit more in need.
Yes, it is triage around here. That's for sure.
So it's now her turn.
It's her turn.
Our wonderful vintage Vogue Ginny doll.
She's about a 1950s, maybe. Diane would know exactly the year, but she's right around.
A friend.
Yeah.
Anyway, so she has all her original clothes, which are going to be a challenge.
Yes, because of what they're made of.
Yep. And she has her original skis and poles. So I would say she's a skier.
I would think so if she has skis and poles.
It fits around here. So I just think we got to get to the video and show everybody our beautiful little girl from our spring road trip. Ready?
I'm ready, Fred.
I thought we've been through this before.
Yeah, I know. It just came out. It's I just had to.
Evie, what do you think? Every time she says E, I always think of you, because you are the EV.
I say Freddie because your dad, every animal that comes into this house, he names him Fred.
That's because he has no imagination. Okay, are you ready? Let's get to it. Here we go. Well, there she is. Finally, our little Ginny has made her way up to the top of our queue.
All the way from spring.
Yes. And she is about to get restrung. So this is her original stringing.
And you can see that it is just...
Well... It's brittle and it's stiff,
See,
and
that's
it definitely doesn't have any elasticity anymore.
That's exactly what happens to rubber.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we'll put that aside. Now we should say who she is, because it took several people.
Well, yeah, we did. We figured out, after much help from other people, that she is a 1951 Sports Series Ski Ginny doll. And she has what they call transitional eyes.
A side part.
She's got painted,
which is rare.
She has painted lashes.
Very
nice color. So she's going to be gorgeous when she's done.
What about her trim on her hat and her coat?
Oh, it's okay.
This trim right here.
Go ahead, you say it. I'm not going to say it.
I can't say it because I can't see it. This is the way we're going to pronounce it. Forgive us if it's wrong. Astrakhan.
Something like that.
Astrakhan trim.
That's this gray trim on her.
And it can come in another color, which...
Well, no, the outfits come in different colors.
Yes.
And I think someone said that they had a different color. This was the same trim, but it was a different color than the gray.
But then yes.
So what do you think? I think we got to just show everybody how to string a Ginny.
I haven't strung a Ginny before, everyone. I did my research.
Yep, we researched it.
I'm going to do the best I can. Even though she is strung similar to a Tony and all these other hard plastic dolls, she's tiny. And we found out how rare she is, which makes it 10,000 times more difficult. It scares me. So she has a S-hook on a bar across her head. all of her mechanism in her eyes, I don't know if you can see that, is plastic.
Mm-hmm.
That was just great to know.
Mm.
It's easy to break.
Mm-hmm.
And she has a side part, and usually they have bangs with a center part.
Oh no, it's just less
Likely
well
to have a side part.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that makes her a little rare. So I attached this because I would be fishing for that S hook.
Mm-hmm.
So
But before you did that, you had to open up the
these
metal piece.
are hard. They were so hard to open, and that's why there's 2 sets of pliers here.
Mm-hmm.
And I had to use all the strength I had to get it open that much.
Mm-hmm. All right, so it's very similar. If you've seen our other video on stringing, it's going to be very similar, only this time we're using a crochet hook.
Yes, because she's such a little girl.
And we're still going to do the same thing, which is pull the... Oh, this is also the same kind of a rubber band. It's from the same company, and I'll put a link to that company on...
I'm trying not to roll the band.
On the internet. I'll put it in the description of this video.
Did it roll?
But it's a really small
it's not
one
rolled.
compared to the ones we've used on Tony dolls and other much larger dolls.
Now, you know I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't hold it out. I just don't have the strength, folks. So she's got to hold the camera, and I've got to try and get this on.
So what do you want me to do, sweetie? You just tell me.
I really don't know, because
you want me to hold
it's just too difficult.
How about I hold it and you use both of your hands?
That would be nice. But no, I have to pull. That helped. Okay, so now I'm going to extricate the hook. Yes. What?
She has arms.
She has arms. Let's see. It's a little twisted. Not much. Okay.
So let's explain what you're going to do before you do it.
Okay, so I'm going to pull that down in front of this.
Not through it.
No, we're not going through it.
Okay.
No, in back of it. In back of it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so behind it.
So behind this band. My God. You guys can see how nervous I am. Because she is so rare and...
No, she isn't.
Okay, hard to find. Whatever.
No, she's just early. So she has a little value, that's all.
I don't want to hurt anybody's doll. Put it up close to her top.
Sorry, guys. I'm trying to film and help at the same time.
Okay, now. I've got it. You pull on her leg. Okay, let go. Are you good?
Yeah, it was pinching me a
She's
little.
good. She's good. That hurt.
All right, guys. Only one more to go.
You go inside and grab up a little higher.
I'm
And
going to have to switch hands.
here we go. I work with bigger dolls. I've never been really great at little. And this doesn't have a really good hook on it.
I think we're going to get ourselves a bigger crochet hook. This is all we have.
How often are we going to have small dolls?
But it might
We
work
never
with other
know.
things too. All right. Please forgive.
Can you see?
Well, I'm trying to see it through the camera.
Get up a little higher. Did you get it in? Oh my gosh.
Holy Moses. Here, put her down.
I'm sorry. There you are.
There she is.
Did we hurt your hair? I hope not.
Yes, if you want to understand why she has all this on her hair, it's because she had her hair helped, and this is going to hold it till it dries.
The hair is supposed to roll up.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, it was in need of help.
And we just couldn't show that part.
No, we could not.
It was
show
a
that
little
part.
bit too involved.
It was.
And of course, she had never done it before. So,
Oh, well, I did. But I did it on a 60 Ginny when I was a little girl.
I mean, recently, dear.
But not on anything this old. And
But if we do come across another Ginny and she needs her hair done, then I guess we will definitely show that.
yes.
But let's see her face, because I don't see her face. Okay. So why don't we look at her clothes? And
Here are our ski pants.
what did we do with them? They didn't need to be washed.
No, they didn't need to be washed. I pressed them lightly. I didn't wash them.
And we thought we would have to be washing her felt little
But
tie.
I can tell you that
jacket.
her socks, here they are. That should be in its original fold. I'll make sure it is before it goes. There's an original fold. I don't know why that's out of it, but it is. And her shoes were doing what you've seen in other videos. You see they're creasing. And I was, by a friend said, do not try to take off the snaps, but I had to restore the shoes. They were just too brittle and I didn't want them to break. So I did what I do in that video. I oiled them and I put a little oil right on top of that snap.
And she put some stuffing in them so that they would dry.
In their right shape.
Right.
And so her shoes are actually perfect. Here's her skis and her poles. And then she will be ready to go to her new home.
Oh, really?
Did you
licking
clean
your
this?
chops?
Didn't I clean them well enough?
Oh, no. What do you think, Evie? This isn't usually the size doll that you see.
Yeah, who is that? Yeah, it's a different smell. This doll didn't get her clothes washed. No, she's all original.
What do you think, Miss Evie?
She's nice, isn't she?
Yeah. Evie, I have a question. Evie. Hey, Evelyn, do you think we should go and see her reveal? What do you think? Can you tell everybody that you'd like to go see her reveal? Really? You do? You want to? Yeah. Well, I think we should. If Evie wants to go see her reveal, then I think we ought to go to it.
I think so too.
Well, okay. So why don't we go?
I think she's finally ready.
I do too. Well, you know what?
What?
She takes the prize for being the most adorable.
She does. She does. You didn't expect that when you picked her up out of that.
I knew that she would turn out beautifully. I did.
You did?
I did. Yeah, this little girl, she was in our video. If you've been watching our videos, she was in the video where we did our spring
doll trip.
Yep. I think we found ourselves a Ginny.
Hey, look.
There's a Ginny. Yep, this is the little one. There she is.
That was the Holy Grail.
Yeah, and we found her in the first store. I was so shocked. And then to find out that she's complete. I mean, she's absolutely complete. And she is absolutely perfect for this time of year. So I guess waiting 5 months was apropos because, well, it's almost winter.
Well, it took a little time for me to think. 5 months. Because I knew that I hadn't worked on a Ginny, except the one I had when I was a little girl, and I never really played with her. But I knew that it would be a challenge.
Mm-hmm.
And she taught me a lot. I'm really grateful to this doll.
Yep. So her hair is all back to being beautiful in its little flip. And she's been restrung, as everybody saw. I know this is a shorter video, but hopefully for someone who wants to learn how to, at least one way of stringing a Ginny, this video should help. And she just looks
Magnificent.
I think she looks great. She's got her original shoes.
And they're not brittle anymore.
Her skis. I mean, this little girl, she is ready for a day out on the slopes.
She sure is.
Well, it looks like she found a new friend.
Yes. This little lady was ice skating over on the pond, and this little lady was
She was skiing down the hill.
skiing down the slopes. Look at the mountains. I don't know if you can see those mountains or not, but they look like cotton candy.
So this little girl on the left, she is a Madame Alexander, Wendy. And actually, we should have gotten her the same day as we got this little Ginny, but I was not paying attention, for myself at least.
No.
I didn't see her. If you've been watching our videos, you'll know that
We went back and got her.
we did. We went back and got her, and I love her. She's a beautiful little skater. They call her Jingle Bell Skater. And you know what? I think they look great together.
Yes. Somebody, this little girl was more modern times.
Yep.
This little girl was
Yep, 'cause
1951.
Yeah, 1951 and more modern in the 2000s, something or other.
We don't know.
And
It's on her card,
they're just really, and I guess we didn't know that in the spring we were going to have a winter theme.
No, we never know when we get in the car and buckle up what's going to happen.
Well, Evie's interested in her ski.
Pole.
Yeah.
Evie?
No,
Evie.
you can't chew on it, sweetheart.
Hey.
Okay, so I know that for those of you who watch our videos all the time, you've noticed that we haven't been on in a little while, and we just haven't been feeling up to it. But we'll always try to at least put on a short or something. So there are definitely more videos ready to be made.
We've been working on that part.
Yeah, and they will get made. Evie, no, you can't have that, sweetheart. Sorry. And so they will be out, but please don't think that they aren't coming, because there will be more. So we would like to thank everybody that's new to our channel. If you are new, welcome.
Welcome.
And all of our lovely people who keep watching our videos, you mean so much to us, and we love hearing your comments. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, and we'll do our best to answer them, either on a video or straight to you. And if you liked our video, please give us a like. If you would like to subscribe and you haven't already, oh, I think she's bored.
She just wants the attention.
I see. We would love to have you subscribe if you haven't. And I think it's that time of the video, sweetie. It's your turn
To say, just remember, it is possible to do it yourself.
Yep, but even if it takes 4 months.
Oh, yes, even if it takes 4 months. But she taught me a lot.
She did.
I learned a lot from this little girl.
Evie, do you want to say bye to everybody? Can you say goodbye? Say bye. Say goodbye. Yeah. What?
She said, I say goodbye, Mommy.
You didn't bark. Sit down. Say goodbye. Speak. Speak. Speak.
That was
Okay.
good.
That was a good. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit. Lay down. There you go.
All right. Evie. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.